I wonder how wind turbines work. Maybe kinetic energy from the wind is being converted into electrical energy?
You are right. Wind turbines work on simple principles. It makes use of the fact that energy can be converted from one form to another. Wind possesses kinetic energy as the air is moving. In a wind turbine, the kinetic energy will turn the blades around a rotor, which will then spin a generator. This generator will then generate electricity.
That is cool, but since there is always some wind, wouldn't we be able to generate almost infinite amounts of electricity?
Well, because there are quite a number of constraints. For example, wind turbines require large pieces of land, and it depends much on the strength of the wind. Moreover, a large number of windmills are needed to be built, and this may affect the geographical landscape of the area. This may bring disruptions to the local ecosystem. For example, birds might get affected.
Or I can already imagine those poor migratory ducks hitting those windmills.
Fortunately, we have other alternatives for renewable energies.
I know, solar energy. I saw solar panels on rooftops before. The panels capture light energy from the sun and convert them into electrical energy for household consumption.
You are right. Besides solar energy, we also have hydroelectric energy. A large dam is built to block water in a river or stream. The kinetic energy of the running water can then be utilized to turn the turbine and generate electricity. In addition, there is tidal energy, which utilizes the tides of the seas to generate electricity via generators.
Oh, with so many alternatives, can we say that Earth is saved?
Well, it may be, but of course, before we move any further, let's have a quick check on your understanding of energy sources.
Okay, bring on the challenge.